Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your LG TV. Resetting your television can resolve many common issues, from sluggish performance to app malfunctions, or it might be necessary if you're selling or giving away your TV. We'll cover two main types of resets: a soft reset, which is like a quick refresh, and a factory reset, which completely wipes all your personal data and settings, returning the TV to its out-of-the-box condition. Let's dive into how these processes work and when to use each one. A soft reset, also known as a power cycle, is a simple yet effective first step for minor issues. To perform this, first, turn off your LG TV using your remote or the physical power button. Next, unplug the television's power cord from the wall outlet. It's crucial to wait for at least 60 seconds. This allows any residual electrical charge to fully dissipate. After the minute has passed, plug the power cord back into the outlet and power on your TV. This often resolves small glitches without affecting your settings. For more persistent problems, or if you're preparing to sell your TV, a factory reset is the way to go. Grab your remote and press the settings button. From there, navigate to All Settings, then General, and finally, select Reset to Initial Settings. You'll likely be prompted to enter a PIN. The default is often 0000 or 1234. Confirm your choice, and remember, this action will erase all your personalized settings and installed applications, returning your TV to its original factory state. Before performing a factory reset, be aware that it will erase all your personal data, downloaded applications, and customized picture or sound settings. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and log back into all your streaming services afterward. If your LG TV is completely unresponsive, you can attempt a hard reset by pressing and holding the physical power button for about 10 to 15 seconds while simultaneously unplugging and then replugging the TV. This can sometimes force a reset when the remote or on-screen menus are inaccessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.